everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, taking you through our March card making kit. It's called Grand Adventure. We have got our inspiration sheet to get you started in the kit, of course, and this is the exact size measurement. So if I took my card and put it next to the one on here, it's the exact same size. So if you measure from here to here on the sheet, it is going to be the exact size as my card. So great way to get you inspired and making cards. And on the back, I've popped this little one here because I have made a little fancy card with this kit. So I'll take you through that in just a minute. Let me show you what's in the kit first. So included in your kit, you are going to get the cards and envelopes, square cards and envelopes, the Grand Adventure 6x6 collection pack, some of our mint rhinestones, not that ribbon, you get this ribbon, I don't know how that one snuck in there. This is the ribbon that comes in the card making kit. These are our Grand Adventure creative cuts, a cute little cut apart sheet which works with our number 9 die. So that is everything included in the kit. Let me show you the cards and then I'll take you through the sneaky little one that I did that little extra on. These are beautiful cards just for your stash. Hope all your birthday wishes come true. Best wishes. This one's happy birthday. Hope your birthday wishes come true again. And again, just happy birthday. And the lucky last one, best day ever. Of course, it can just be a card that you open, but it also has this little tricky function so that you can fold it up just like that and you can fold it down to fit flat in an envelope. So if I open this up, this is just one of our regular cards. And if you take your card from the bottom to the top and fold it and crease it, this is the piece you're going to do your decorations on. And you see I've just got a flat piece there and anything that you want to stand up, and then it just hooks into here, which I've put a foam mount on, and you fold it down. So that's just a cute little fun way to make a card just pop. And on the back of your inspiration sheet, I have just photographed the fold I have done. But that's it. Thanks guys for loving our card kit so much. This one is available on the 5th of March. Until next time, bye.